To get an RF predictive signal level for a specific CPE height at a specific location, follow these steps. First, select Map from the SignalQual drop-down menu. In the address bar, enter the address you want to check. Select a location from the suggested options, and the map will recenter on that location. Next, choose Advanced Mode if you want to view qualification profiles from all APs at the address. Otherwise, select Simple Mode and click the Qualify Site Point icon. This lets you select any spot on the map and create RF propagation profiles for the CPE height. Once the CPE height is selected, click the structure to check the signal level. The program will generate profiles. Once completed, you will see a combination of solid and dashed lines emanating from your service point. While dashed lines indicate that the location can't be serviced by APs, a solid line indicates that an AP can service the location at the specified CPE height. You can also clear the color overlay from the map by turning off the Qualify APs layer. If the site isn't serviceable, try increasing the CPE height and running the profile again to produce a serviceable result. Following these simple steps will help you quickly verify the RF predictive signal level at a specific location.